Important days and events current affairs MCQs. For upcoming exams. 1. International Day of the Tropics is observed every year on which day? A. 27th June. B. 28th June. C. 29th June. D. 30th June. Correct answer, C. 29th June. 2. World Zoonosis Day is observed annually on which day to raise awareness about zoonotic diseases? A. 4th July. B. 5th July. C. 6th July. D. 7th July. Correct answer, C. 6th July. 3. World Rural Development Day is observed every year on which day? A. 5th July. B. 6th July. C. 7th July. D. 8th July. Correct answer, B. 6th July. 4. National Fish Farmers Day is observed every year on which day? A. 10th July. B. 11th July. C. 12th July. D. 13th July. Correct answer, A. 10th July. 5. World Nature Conservation Day was celebrated globally on which day? A. 26th July. B. 27th July. C. 28th July. D. 29th July. Correct answer, C. 28th July. 6. What is the name of the campaign launched by the Ministry of Textiles to mark the celebration of National Handloom Day 2025? A. Weave India Movement. B. Know Your Weaves Campaign. C. My Textile My Pride Campaign. D. Make in India Campaign. Correct answer, B. Know Your Weaves Campaign. 7. Where was the third edition of Meghalaya Pineapple Festival 2025 organized? A. Shillong. B. New Delhi. C. Chandigarh. D. Dehradun. Correct answer, B. New Delhi. 8. World Tribal Day is observed every year on which day? A. 7th August. B. 8th August. C. 9th August. D. 10th August. Correct answer, C. 9th August. 9. World Biofuel Day is celebrated on which day every year? A. 9th August. B. 10th August. C. 11th August. D. 12th August. Correct answer, B. 10th August. 10. Which Indian city is the host of the 18th International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, IOA, 2025? A. Bangalore. B. Mumbai. C. Chennai. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer, B. Mumbai. 11. Where was the 27th Saras Ajivika Mela held? A. Jaipur. B. New Delhi. C. Chennai. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer, B. New Delhi. 12. The International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies is observed every year on which day? A. 6th September. B. 7th September. C. 8th September. D. 9th September. Correct answer, B. 7th September. 13. National Forest Martyrs Day is observed every year on which day? A. 9th September. B. 10th September. C. 11th September. D. 12th September. Correct answer, C. 11th September. 14. World Patient Safety Day is observed on which day? A. 16th September. B. 17th September. C. 18th September. D. 19th September. Correct answer, B. 17th September. 15. Which day is celebrated as World Bamboo Day every year? A. 16th September. B. 17th September. C. 18th September. D. 19th September. Correct answer, C. 18th September. 16. Combined Operational Review and Evaluation (CORE) Program on Civil Military Engagement is organized by which organization? A. Headquarters Integrated Defense Staff, HQIDs. B. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. C. Ministry of Defense. D. National Defense College, NDC. Correct answer, A. Headquarters Integrated Defense Staff, HQIDs. 17. International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste is observed every year on which day? A. 26th September. B. 27th September. C. 28th September. D. 29th September. Correct answer, D. 29th September. 18. What is the theme of World Space Week 2025? A. Exploring the Moon. B. Space for Sustainability. C. Living in Space. D. Space and Climate Action. Correct answer, C. Living in Space. 19. National Post Day is celebrated in India every year on which day? A. 8th October. B. 9th October. C. 10th October. D. 11th October. Correct answer, C. 10th October. 20. World Food Day is observed annually on which day every year? A. 13th October. B. 14th October. C. 15th October. D. 16th October. Correct answer, D. 16th October. 21. Which ministries have jointly launched the Tobacco-Free Youth Campaign 3.0? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Youth Affairs. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Ministry of Education. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Science and Technology. D. Ministry of Education and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Correct answer, D. Ministry of Education and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 22. Which state government has organized Swadesh Mela in October 2025? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, A. Uttar Pradesh. 23. The International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction is observed globally on which day? A. 11th October. B. 12th October. C. 13th October. D. 14th October. Correct answer, C. 13th October. 24. Which month is marked as Sudden Infant Death Syndrome, SIDS, Awareness Month? A. August. B. September. C. October. D. November. Correct answer, C. October. 25. The International Day of the Intangible Cultural Heritage, IDIH, is observed annually on which day? A. 17th October. B. 18th October. C. 19th October. D. 20th October. Correct answer, A. 17th October. 26. Where was the United Nations, UN, Convention Against Cybercrime held in October 2025? A. Malaysia. B. Indonesia. C. Vietnam. D. China. Correct answer, C. Vietnam. 27. The United Nations, UN, International Day of Care and Support is observed annually on which day? A. 27th October. B. 28th October. C. 29th October. D. 30th October. Correct answer, C. 29th October. 28. The grand final of India's biggest student-led space competition, Model Rocketry CanSat India Student Competition, is held at which place? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Haryana. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, A. Uttar Pradesh. 29. World Cities Day, WCD, is observed every year on which day? A. 28th October. B. 29th October. C. 30th October. D. 31st October. Correct answer, D. 31st October. 30. Where was the National Tribal Film Festival and Carnival 2025 held? A. Imphal. B. Gangtok. C. Agartala. D. Kohima. Correct answer, A. Imphal. 31. What is the theme of World AMR, Antimicrobial Resistance, Awareness Week, WAV, 2025? A. Save antibiotics, save life. B. Act now, protect our present, secure our future. C. One health, one planet. D. Prevent resistance, promote safety. Correct answer, B. Act now, protect our present, secure our future. 32. Which city is the venue of 4th edition of the Novel Innovation and Indigenization Organization Seminar, Swavlamban 2025? A. Mumbai. B. Bangalore. C. Chennai. D. New Delhi. Correct answer, D. New Delhi. 33. What is the theme of National One Health Mission Assembly 2025? A. Health security for all. B. Universal health and sustainable future. C. Translating knowledge to practice, One Earth, One Health, One Future. D. Innovation and health integration. Correct answer, C. Translating knowledge to practice, One Earth, One Health, One Future. 34. What is theme of Indian Navy Day 2025? A. Sea power, national pride. B. Combat ready, cohesive and self-reliant. C. Make in India, defense ready. D. Strength and power through innovation and indigenization. Correct answer, B. Combat ready, cohesive and self-reliant. 35. International Anti-Corruption Day is observed every year on which day? A. 7th December. B. 8th December. C. 9th December. D. 10th December. Correct answer, C. 9th December. 36. What is the theme of International Mountain Day, IMD, 2025? A. Restoring mountain ecosystems. B. Sustainable tourism in mountains. C. Protecting mountain biodiversity. D. Glaciers matter for water, food and livelihoods in mountains and beyond. Correct answer. D. Glaciers matter for water, food and livelihoods in mountains and beyond. 37. Where was the Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav 2025 organized? A. Mumbai. B. New Delhi. C. Chennai. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer, B. New Delhi. 38. Which government department organized the program titled Celebration of Intergenerational Bonds in Madhya Pradesh? A. Department of Social Justice and Empowerment. B. Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances. C. Department of Consumer Affairs. D. Department of Financial Services. Correct answer. A. Department of Social Justice and Empowerment. 39. Which state organized the world's largest open-air theatre, Dhanu Yatra? A. Haryana. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. Bihar. Correct answer, C. Odisha. 40. Where was the third Indian Lighthouse Festival 3.0 held? A. Gandhinagar, Gujarat. B. Bangalore, Karnataka. C. Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. D. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, C. Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. 41. International Volunteer Day, IVD, is observed annually on which day? A. 3rd December. B. 4th December. C. 5th December. D. 6th December. Correct answer, C. 5th December. 42. Which city is the host of 15th National Street Food Festival? A. Bangalore. B. Hyderabad. C. Chennai. D. New Delhi. Correct answer, D. New Delhi. 43. World Braille Day is observed every year on which day? A. 1st January. B. 2nd January. C. 3rd January. D. 4th January. Correct answer, D. 4th January. 44. World Day of War Orphans is observed annually on which day? A. 4th January. B. 5th January. C. 6th January. D. 7th January. Correct answer, C. 6th January. 45. Which state is the host of Saras Mela 2026? A. Maharashtra. B. Odisha. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, C. Andhra Pradesh. 46. Where was 3rd Technical Hindi Symposium, Abhyuday 3, held? A. IIT Indore. B. IIT Kanpur. C. IIT Bombay. D. IIT Roorkee. Correct answer, A. IIT Indore. 47. Where was 16th ASEAN Defence Ministers Meeting, ADMM, plus Experts Working Group, EWG, on Counter-Terrorism, CT, held? A. New Delhi. B. Chennai. C. Bangalore. D. Mumbai. Correct answer, A. New Delhi. 48. Which city is the host of 2nd Global Buddhist Summit 2026? A. Bangalore. B. Hyderabad. C. Chennai. D. New Delhi. Correct answer, D. New Delhi. 49. Which day is observed as Kokborok Day in Tripura? A. 18th January. B. 19th January. C. 20th January. D. 22nd January. Correct answer, B. 19th January. 50. Which institution organized AIM Samvad, the annual incubator conclave? A. Department of Biotechnology, DBT. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. Niti Aayog. D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Correct answer, C. Niti Aayog. 51. Purple Fest is organized by which ministry? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Ministry of Women and Child Development. D. Ministry of Culture. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 52. International Day of Forests is observed annually on which day? A. 20th March. B. 21st March. C. 22nd March. D. 23rd March. Correct answer, B. 21st March. 53. World Tuberculosis Day is observed annually on which day? A. 21st March. B. 22nd March. C. 23rd March. D. 24th March. Correct answer, D. 24th March. 54. World Aquatic Animal Day is celebrated annually on which day? A. 1st April. B. 2nd April. C. 3rd April. D. 4th April. Correct answer, C. 3rd April. 55. Prevention of Blindness Week in India is observed annually during which period? A. 1st March to 7th March. B. 25th March to 31st March. C. 1st April to 7th April. D. 7th April to 14th April. Correct answer, C. 1st April to 7th April. 56. Which Indian city is the host of International Film Festival 2026? A. Mumbai. B. Chennai. C. Hyderabad. D. Bangalore. Correct answer, A. Mumbai. 57. Where was first BRICS Health Working Group Meeting 2026 held? A. New Delhi. B. Chennai. C. Hyderabad. D. Bangalore. Correct answer, A. New Delhi. 58. Save the Elephant Day is celebrated annually on which day? A. 16th April. B. 17th April. C. 18th April. D. 19th April. Correct answer, A. 16th April. 59. World Liver Day is observed annually on which day? A. 18th April. B. 19th April. C. 20th April. D. 21st April. Correct answer, B. 19th April. 60. What is the theme of Fire Safety Week 2026? A. Fire Free India. B. Safety First. C. Safe School, Safe Hospital and Fire Safety Aware Society. D. Disaster Ready India. Correct answer, C. Safe School, Safe Hospital and Fire Safety Aware Society. 61. World Kidney Day 2026 is observed on which day? A. 11th March. B. 12th March. C. 13th March. D. 14th March. Correct answer, B. 12th March. 62. International Day of Action for Rivers is observed every year on which day? A. 13th March. B. 14th March. C. 15th March. D. 16th March. Correct answer, B. 14th March. 63. World Puppetry Day is celebrated on which day every year? A. 20th March. B. 21st March. C. 22nd March. D. 23rd March. Correct answer, B. 21st March. 64. World Meteorological Day is observed every year on which day? A. 21st March. B. 22nd March. C. 23rd March. D. 24th March. Correct answer, C. 23rd March. 65. World Tuberculosis Day is observed annually on which day? A. 21st March. B. 22nd March. C. 23rd March. D. 24th March. Correct answer, D. 24th March. 66. Where was first BRICS Health Working Group meeting 2026 held? A. New Delhi. B. Chennai. C. Hyderabad. D. Bangalore. Correct answer, A. New Delhi. 67. World Creativity and Innovation Day is observed annually on which day? A. 19th April. B. 20th April. C. 21st April. D. 22nd April. Correct answer, C. 21st April. 68. What is the theme of Meher Baba Competition 3 launched by Indian Air Force? A. AI-based missile defense. B. Autonomous fighter jets. C. Collaborative drone-based surveillance radars. D. Cyber warfare systems. Correct answer, C. Collaborative drone-based surveillance radars. 69. What is the theme of the 79th World Health Assembly? A. Health for all. B. One World, One Health. C. Reshaping global health, a shared responsibility. D. Universal health for humanity. Correct answer, C. Reshaping global health, a shared responsibility. 70. World Fair Play Day is observed annually on which day? A. 16th May. B. 17th May. C. 18th May. D. 19th May. Correct answer, D. 19th May. 71. World Schizophrenia Awareness Day is observed every year on which day? A. 21st May. B. 22nd May. C. 23rd May. D. 24th May. Correct answer, D. 24th May. 72. World Thyroid Day is observed every year on which day? A. 23rd May. B. 24th May. C. 25th May. D. 26th May. Correct answer, C. 25th May. 73. Which city is the host of International Day of Yoga 2026 main event? A. Chennai. B. Kolkata. C. Bangalore. D. Mumbai. Correct answer, B. Kolkata. 74. International Day of Potato is observed globally every year on which day? A. 28th May. B. 29th May. C. 30th May. D. 31st May. Correct answer, C. 30th May. 75. Nepal observes the day for the elimination of caste discrimination and untouchability on which day? A. 1st June. B. 2nd June. C. 3rd June. D. 4th June. Correct answer, D. 4th June. 76. World Ocean Day is observed annually on which day? A. 6th June. B. 7th June. C. 8th June. D. 9th June. Correct answer, C. 8th June. 77. World Sea Turtle Day is celebrated every year on which day? A. 14th June. B. 15th June. C. 16th June. D. 17th June. Correct answer, C. 16th June. 78. Bharat Bilcon 2026, that was recently inaugurated in New Delhi, is associated with which sector? A. Agriculture. B. Construction and building materials. C. Textiles. D. Pharmaceuticals. Correct answer, B. Construction and building materials. 79. World Hydrography Day is observed every year on which day? A. 21st June. B. 22nd June. C. 23rd June. D. 24th June. Correct answer, A. 21st June. 80. World MSME Day is observed every year on which day? A. 26th June. B. 27th June. C. 28th June. D. 29th June. Correct answer, B. 27th June. If you need explanation part, comment below for that. Comment for explanation.